Oh, hello internet. Here we have a new Toyota Aygo just arrived in the yard. It has an accident in here. The left leg is gone, wing is gone. The headlight is alright. Front door is dented. That door is alright. The rear is all okay. Got some minor scratches on the bumper on this side, and back door is totally gone, and the front door is also a bit of touching here and a bit of touching there, so mirror is alright. So we're gonna check the engine to see the mileage and have the engine run. So the airbag is gone. Yeah. Start first. And it done 8,000 miles only. Yeah. Let me. Okay. So I got the system is working. The vehicle is okay. I got some navigation system. Accept, and it tells me where we are. Okay. Yeah, I would love to have a coffee. So that's my location. Yeah, right now. So the light is working. Heating is working. AC is working. Rear, front, off. It got a charging system, on and off, automatic. And let's see, what is the hazard? Only God knows what is it. So it's just the electric mirror. Oops. Just adjusting, but it's not folding or power folding. Go only two. So let me put all the lights on. Yeah, the indicator is working. Headlight is alright, fog light is alright. That light is okay. Fog light is missing. That indicator is working. The light is okay. That light is also okay. And the number plate light is working as well. You got all the pump only, as usual. So the back seat, that's the fog light in there. So that passenger side roof airbag is still intact. Seat belt is gone. Yeah. Seat belt is gone. So let's check the yeah. And you got the USB as well. It's adaptive. Okay, let us know if you needed anything. We can help you. Stay safe and enjoy your life, yeah?